Hey, welcome back. Our new video today. In this video we will talk about effective ways to make money with Pinterest. Looking for ways to make money with Pinterest? Rather than looking at Pinterest as a simple photo sharing network, consider it your own global bulletin board. In November of 2013, Pinterest had 70 million users, 80% of them women, and received 2.5 billion page views per month. Number 1. Follow your passion, build an audience and sell to them. What are you passionate about? If people are spending money in an area you love, you can make money. Let's say you're a fitness junkie. You love being fit and staying fit. You choose a target audience, women in their 20s who want to be fit and attractive. Create a Pinterest account and boards that attract this audience. Get followers to your boards, and create a mailing list. Some keen Pinterest users have 1 million followers and more. You don't need that many followers to your account to sell to your audience. If you don't know what to sell, don't worry. Once you have a few thousand followers, marketers will approach you with offers. Choose a company to promote, and ask for sponsorship. Target a group, and build your Pinterest followers as we discussed above. Then select companies offering products that appeal to your audience. Staying with our fitness audience, you could approach companies that sell gym machines, or sports drinks. Promote affiliate products. Any companies want affiliates who will promote their products for a small commission on the sales that result. Find companies that sell products you can promote, and sign up as an affiliate. Then promote the products on your boards, using your affiliate links. Use search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to get found on Pinterest. If you want to make money on Pinterest, people have to be able to find your pins and boards, so use SEO strategies. Not only will you be found on Pinterest, you'll also be found via the major search engines, like Google. Make the most of your About profile. You've got 200 characters, around 50 words, be clear and descriptive, using the keywords you expect searchers to use. Also, use SEO strategies on your pins. Each pin allows you 500 characters, around 100 words, of description, so make the most of it by adding keywords and links. Include keywords naturally, rather than in a spammy way. Create contests on Pinterest to sell your own products. Perhaps you want to sell your own products on Pinterest. Consider creating contests. They're popular, and can help you to make money. Make money by teaching Pinterest strategies to others. As Pinterest continues to grow, a small industry has developed around it, with people developing tools to help Pinterest users. After you've been using Pinterest successfully for a while, consider making money by teaching your strategies to others. Create ebooks and courses teaching what you've learned. You were probably searching for how to earn money using Pinterest or how to make money on Pinterest, weren't you? Or maybe you were intrigued by the idea of making money on Pinterest. Whenever I came across any articles that taught people how to make money online, I always thought that none of them were true. But after learning and experimenting with those ideas, I realized that earning money online is, in fact, a real thing. How much money can you make on Pinterest? Your time is valuable, so is it worth your time to learn monetizing strategies to make money on Pinterest? And nope, these side hustle ideas don't require experience at all. Overall, how would that extra cash help you? Would it help you pay off some debt, stop living paycheck to paycheck, or put a bit extra towards your vacation savings fund? I know some peeps like making quick and easy money with the best survey sites like Survey Junkie because it's fast and completely free to use. I personally like it too for the extra $20 to $50 a month. Over the years, Pinterest has become a massive platform that allows bloggers to reach millions of people on the internet every year. Now there's a common misconception that Pinterest is just another social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and the rest, but that simply isn't true. It's much more powerful in terms of helping bloggers make money with their content. Just like you likely found this video by typing in how to make money on Pinterest in Google, the same thing happens on Pinterest. It's a search engine, but it's based on images instead of text. This is why bloggers in many different niches become extremely successful with Pinterest marketing, from food bloggers to personal finance bloggers and more. Now there's more to it than that, of course, but that's essentially how it works. When a Pinterest user searches for something that matches your blog post, they'll be able to see your pin, click on it, and ultimately see your ads or buy products from you. And the great thing is that it's scalable. There are plenty of bloggers out there that make anywhere from a few $1,000s per month to hundreds of thousands per month. I've said this already, but if you want to learn how to make money on Pinterest, you need a business account. This is a must-do if you want to reach out to any brands for partnerships, affiliate links, etc. Business accounts. Business accounts are free and give you access to analytics, among other things. Honestly, I really do think Pinterest offers a lot of different opportunities to earn money, but diversifying your income is the best way to protect yourself and your business when Pinterest inevitably makes more changes. The platform already offers a huge reach, and it continues to grow. Pinterest now has over 300 million users. I think it's safe to say that Pinterest will continue to be around for a while and opportunities will just keep growing. But, looking at other income sources is just basic personal finance. That's it for today. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.